Good morning mga loves. So I'm getting ready. It's only 4 o'clock in the morning. I set off my alarm at 4 o'clock because I want to get ready and I want to settle myself. Ayaw ko talaga na nangangarag ako. Ayaw ko yung feeling na yan. Gising na din si Jan. Sabi niya gigising daw siya ng 5 o'clock paano daw siya makakatulog is sobrang ingay ko daw. Sabi ko, uwi ka naman, hindi naman ako maingay. Nag-iingat naman ako. Sabi niya na, what's the point of trying to sleep na nagising ka na dahil sa alarm ko daw. Totoo nga naman siya. Sorry na po. Almusal lang ako, yung leftover na alubong sitaw and fries. Naririnig niyo ba yung ulan? Yung ulan right at this moment. Sana titigil yung ulan during my flight. Ito yung susuotin natin going to the airport. Kasi loose siya, comfy lang ba? Comfy yung vibes ng trousers na to. Of course, mag-compression stockings tayo. Sobrang importante. Kasi, di ba, mahaba yung flight and you're not moving. So, maglagay tayo ng compression stocking. Yung compression stocking is toeless siya. So, I hate doing this. Nung nagtatrabaho ako sa care home, ay nako, this is my least favorite job. Sobrang ganda kasi sa feeling pag meron kang compression stockings. We're good to go. Kailangan ko na ito ipababa kay Mr. Are you going to miss me?
Yes, darling.
It's time, honey, to go.
Yes, right.
I love you.
Love you too. Right, let's do one, darling.
Right, let's go before we're gonna be late.
We don't want traffic.
At least dito walang ulan.
You'll see me in 2 weeks, darling.
I'll see you in 2 weeks, sweetheart.
We're standing.
Malapit na kami.
We're standing proud.
Yeah. And the drop-off is in
Drop
there.
off, yeah. We're going to drop off, darling.
It takes us 1 hour, mga loves, to drive to Manchester Airport.
Where we at? Drop off. What's this there? Keep me right. Straight. Middle lane. She's going very, very fast. That's it. Bye, darling.
Bye-bye, sweetheart.
Love you.
Love you too.
Have a nice trip.
I will.
Right, come on, let's get your stuff.
Let's go. Let's go, my loves. go there. Yeah.
You go there. I've got my card.
Okay, bye. Take care, honeybee.
Right,
I'll
yeah.
see you later. Bye-bye. Hinahanap ko lang kung saan yung Singapore Airlines check-in. See, at this moment, hindi ko makita. Hanap ko na pala yung check-in counter ng Singapore Airlines. Yan sa may screen dyan. And then, you just need to scan your passport. Then, tapos, it will give you your boarding pass and then the ticket luggage. Ngayon, nagpipila na ako ngayon dito para i-drop off yung luggage ko. In this way, sobrang quick lang talaga kasi basically, bibigay mo na lang yung luggage talaga sa kanila. Shopping time! Ang dami mga duty free, oh. Singapore Airlines tayo. Relax pa daw yung sabi. Yan. Maghanap tayo ng upuan. Naghihintay pa rin ako ng gate information. Sabi dito na yung gate information, they will give it at 9:20. Ano pa lang, 8:38 pa lang. So, ayun, nakasabi na relax. Kaya, medyo matagal-tagal pa tayong maghintay dito. Sana no, walang delay. Fingers crossed. Meron na tayong gate information. So, 8:12 tayo. Medyo malayo-layo yung lalakarin natin. Mga 5 minutes ata.
We need to go both get tested. You can go do a spare throw.
That's passenger Oliwade Iwa.
First time ko talaga itong gamitin, itong aking passport ba. Finally, makagamit na. Nakarating na din tayo sa Singapore. Medyo late yung pag-land, pero we landed safely. That's the most important thing. So we're gonna catch our connecting flight to Cebu. We just need to find which gate we're going. Dito na lang tayo kasi tinatamad ako. Ay, Diyos ko. Magtingin muna tayo dito kung saan tayo. So sa E24 daw tayo mga loves. We are sa F55 at this moment. So hanapin natin yung E. Medyo malayo-layo yun ba? Sobrang haggard ko na. Sorry na. Once na karating na tayo sa ating gate, doon na tayo mapaganda. At least kahit hindi ka pro mag-travel at masid-masid ka lang sa mga mga signs, you will be able to naman talaga. You will be able to reach your destination. So E24 tayo. Ang daming shoppinganan dito Nice garden. Focus muna tayo. Mamaya na tayo magpa-distract once na makarating tayo doon. And kung meron pa tayong time, then babalikan natin yung mga shops dito. Napakalaki naman talaga tong Singapore na. Medyo malayo pa yung lalakadin natin. Mag-boarding na yung plane ko, 10 o'clock daw. 8 o'clock na ngayon. It's something. Tanaw ko na yung gate na E24. So, medyo malayo pala siya sa mga shops, mga loves. Ay naku, hindi pa naman ako nagkape. Mas ako magkape kasi talaga, nauuhaw ako. Meron naman akong apple juice. We'll see kung meron na bang nakalinya. Kung wala, babalik tayo dito mag-toilet. We're boarding. That's it, mga loves. We're boarding. See you, Cebu. Nandito na tayo sa Cebu. We're just gonna collect luggage and then we're gonna find a foreign exchange. Kasi wala talaga ako pambayad ng taxi kasi wala akong Philippine money. So dito daw i-claim yung luggage natin. They are all queuing up already. I cannot even find a space to get my luggage. Mohana, no flowery or dili? Kanang itom. Sige ate. Oo, sige. Nagkana. I'm here. Nandito na ako sa hotel. I'm staying sa Quest Hotel. This is my first time actually to stay in this hotel kasi normally SIDA kami. So 12:06. Oh my goodness. Anyway, na-distract ako kanina sa keycard natin. So, nakalimutan ko nang mag-room tour. So, magre-room tour muna tayo before natin guluhin yung room. Medyo magulo na nga. Anyway, dito, by the door, meron tayong whole body mirror. I like this kasi, ano ba, makikita mo yung outfit mo. Yan. Yan yung outfit ko kanina. Wala na kasi umihi na. Anyway, gustong-gusto ko to kasi gusto ko magpalagay ng ganito sa bedroom namin, sa en-suite bedroom. And then, meron mga hanger dito, mga compartments. And I like this kasi meron silang plancha. Not all hotel na nagpo-provide ng plancha. And dito, meron silang mini bar, yung safe, yung fridge nila. Yan. Magkano kaya to? Huwag natin yung, kunan kasi alam mo naman, mahal yung mga presyo sa hotel ng minibar nila. Anyway, right here is the toilet, the bathroom. Yan. Okay naman. Meron ba silang yung alam mo yun, yung pa-bidet. Merong hair dryer. Yeah, it's good. Shower nila dito. Overall, malinis naman. Yung lagayan ng luggage nila, meron silang slippers dyan. If you want to use your slippers. Then, 2 beds. Malalaki yung beds nila ha, in fairness. On TV. Let's have a look outside kung ano yung view natin. Ah, sa swimming pool. Look. Sa swimming pool ng Quest. Oh, that's good. There's actually people outside even though it's a bit gloomy outside. Anyway, that's it for now sa ating quick room tour kasi magbibihis na ako kasi si Ate Liza, she's on her way. Okay? And kakain kami guys. And I need to freshen up kasi I don't feel fresh at all. Parang ang haggard-haggard ko. Ito na, nakapag-ready na ako. Yan. Kailangan ko lang ipatali ni Ate Liza yung aking dress. Kasi hindi ko abot. Yan. Ito na lang yung susuotin ko kasi wala talaga akong ganang mag-wedge. Yung mag-sandals ba kasi tinatamad ako kasi of course I've been walking a lot. I'm just waiting for Ate Liza na ay umuulan na pala. Hala. Paano kami tatawid nito? Wala kaming umbrella. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman kami matutunaw. Don't worry. We can do this. Nandito na si Ate Liza and bago yung outfit ko mga loves. Kasi hindi ako komportable. Right. I think it will go out, no? Kasi kinuha ko na yung keycard. Well, let's go. Yeah, it went off. Right, saan na tayo?